Hello, everyone. My name is Raheel Nawaz, and welcome to The Capital Coach. If you are completely new to Forex trading and don't know where to start, then this series is made especially for you. In this complete beginner series, I will teach you everything step by step. We will start from creating your Exness personal area, then opening your first trading account, verifying your identity, depositing funds, withdrawing profits, installing MetaTrader, placing trades, and much more. So if you don't want to miss any lesson, subscribe to the Capital Coach and turn on the notification bell. Now let's begin. First, use the official registration link in the description. If you're on a computer, use the web registration link. If you're using a smartphone, use the mobile registration link. I've included both links below this video. If you register through my referral link, you'll also become part of our educational community where we provide learning resources, webinars, market updates, and beginner support to help you on your trading journey. If you want to learn Forex the right way, visit forexyoustart.com where you'll find beginner-friendly trading education, market analysis, and professional learning resources. You can also visit our link tree to access all our important links, social media, and educational platforms in one place. Now let's move to the screen. Open your browser, type the link from the description. The Exness registration page will open. Now click on Open Account. Enter your email address. Make sure you use an email that you can access because Exness will send important verification emails to this address. Now create a strong password. Your password should contain uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Never share your password with anyone. Once everything is entered correctly, click Continue. Congratulations, your Exness personal area has now been created, but we are not finished yet. There are a few important things you should understand inside the personal area. This is your dashboard. From here, you can manage everything related to your trading account. On the left side, you will see different menu options: accounts, deposit, withdrawal, transaction history, profile, verification, support. You don't need to learn everything today. In this series, I will explain every section one by one. The first thing I recommend is verifying your email. Exness will usually ask you to confirm your email address. Open your inbox, find the verification email, click the verification button. Once completed, your email will be verified. Next, you should also verify your phone number. Enter your mobile number, receive the verification code, type the code. Your phone number is now verified. You may also notice that Exness reminds you to complete your profile verification. Don't worry. In the next video, I will show you exactly how to verify your identity and address without making common beginner mistakes. Before ending this video, let me explain something very important. Creating your personal area does not mean you have opened a trading account. Many beginners think these are the same thing. They are not. Your personal area is like your online dashboard. Inside that dashboard, you can create multiple trading accounts. For example, a demo account, a standard account, a standard cent account, a pro account, a raw spread account, a zero account. In the next lesson, I will explain which account type is best for beginners. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it. Subscribe to The Capital Coach because this is only episode 1. Also, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will answer them. Again, if you want to create your Exness account, you can use my referral link in the description below. It helps support the channel and allows me to keep making free educational content. Thank you so much for watching. This is Raheel Nawaz. See you in the next lesson.